Hello, and a very warm welcome to the English Cafe channel. My name is Emily. Imagine we are sitting in a cozy cafe with a warm cup of coffee, learning English together. It's a comfortable, relaxing place to learn.
Hello, everyone. I'm John. It's wonderful to have you here with us today. We are so happy you chose to spend some time learning English with us.
Yes, absolutely. So find a comfortable seat, relax, and let's begin. Today, we have a very important topic. It is often the first topic you learn in any new language.
That's right. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English. When you meet someone new, they will want to know about you. So, this is a very useful lesson.
And please, do not worry. We will go very slowly. Learning English can be easy and fun. We are here to help you.
Exactly. And before we start, if you find our podcast helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Helps us a lot and means we can make more lessons for you.
Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. First, we will learn some key vocabulary. These are important words you need to talk about yourself.
Right. The first word is name. Name. Your name is what people called you. My name is John.
And my name is Emily. So when someone asks, "What is your name?" you tell them your name. It's the first step in an introduction.
Perfect. The next word is from. From. This word tells people your country or your city of origin. For example, I am from the United Kingdom.
That's right. It's about where you started. I am from the United States. So you can say, I am from Japan or I am from Brazil.
Our next word is very similar. It is live. This word tells people where your home is now. I am from the United Kingdom, but I live in London.
That's a very important difference, yes. From is your origin, and live is where you are now. For example, maybe you are from China, but you live in Australia.
Exactly. Okay, moving on. The next word is job. Your job is the work that you do. For example, a teacher, a doctor, a student.
My job is a teacher. I am a teacher. Being a student is also a job for many people. So you can say, I am a student.
A very good point, Emily. And our last key word for today is hobbies. Hobbies are the activities you like to do in your free time, for fun.
Yes, things you enjoy. For example, reading books, watching movies, playing football, or cooking. These can all be hobbies. My hobbies are painting and walking.
Great! So we have our 5 key words: name, from, live, job, and hobbies. Now let's use them in sentences. This is where it gets fun.
Okay, let's look at some useful sentence patterns. The first one is for your name. You can say, my name is, and then your name. For example, my name is Emily.
Or you can also say, I am, and then your name. Like, I am John. Both are correct. My name is a little more formal, and I am is a little more casual.
That is our mini grammar lesson for today. My name is and I am mean the same thing in this situation. You can choose the one you feel most comfortable with. Let's practice. I will say the sentence and you can repeat it with your name. Ready? Repeat after me. My name is...
Good job. Now let's try the other one. Repeat after me. I am.
Wonderful. Now for our next pattern. To say where you are from, you use the sentence, I am from, and then your country. For example, I am from the United States.
Let's practice that one too. Repeat after me. I am from.
Excellent. Next, to say where you live now, the sentence is, I live in, and then your city. For example, I live in New York.
This pattern is very useful when you meet people in your city. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I live in.
You are doing so well. Now let's talk about your job. The sentence pattern is, I am a, and then your job. For example, I am a teacher.
Right. Or I am a doctor. Or I am a student. Notice we use a. I am a teacher. This little word is important. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am a.
Great job! And finally, for your hobbies, you can say, I like to, and then your hobby. For example, I like to paint. Or you can say, I like painting. Both are okay.
Yes, another good example of English having more than one way to say something. You can also say, I enjoy. For example, I enjoy playing the guitar. Let's practice with I like to. Repeat after me. I like to.
Fantastic! Now we have all the pieces. Let's put them together in a small conversation. John and I will demonstrate. John, you are a new person I am meeting.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, my name is Emily. What is your name?
Hi, Emily. I'm John. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are you from?
I am from the United Kingdom. And you?
I am from the United States. I live here in New York.
Oh, nice. I live in London. What do you do, Emily?
I am a teacher. What is your job?
I am a writer. I write stories.
That sounds interesting. And what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play the guitar. What about you?
I like to paint.
See? That was a simple, natural conversation. We used all the words and sentence patterns we just learned.
And before we move on, a small pronunciation tip. In the word the and three, we have the th sound. To make this sound, you put your tongue gently between your teeth. The. Three. Can you try it? It takes practice, so don't worry if it's difficult at first.
A very youthful tip. Okay, now it's time for a little test, a listening comprehension check. Emily and I will introduce ourselves again. Please listen very carefully.
Okay, I will go first. Ready? Listen. Hello, my name is Emily. I am from the United States. I live in New York. I am a teacher. In my free time, I like to paint.
And now me. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is John. I am from the United Kingdom. I live in London. I am a writer. I like to play the guitar.
Okay, did you get all that? Now for the questions. We will give you a moment to think after each one. Question 1. Where is John from?
Question 2. What is Emily's job?
And question 3. What does John like to do?
Think about your answers. We will tell you the correct answers at the very end of our show.
Wow, we have learned so much today. Let's do a quick recap. We learned 5 key words: name, from, live, job, and hobbies.
Right. We also learned 5 useful sentence patterns. My name is, I am from, I live in, I am a, and I like to.
You all did a wonderful job today. Learning a new language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Every little bit of practice helps.
That's the best advice. The most important thing is to keep trying. Try to introduce yourself in English to a friend or just practice in front of a mirror.
That's a great idea. Now, are you ready for the answers to our listening questions?
Okay, the answer to question 1, where is John from, is John is from the United Kingdom.
The answer to question 2, what is Emily's job, is Emily is a teacher.
And the answer to question 3, what does John like to do, is John likes to play the guitar. How did you do?
Even if you only got one right, that is fantastic progress. Thank you so much for joining us today at the English Cafe channel. We loved spending this time with you.
Yes, thank you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.